beauty store and I've sent beauty offers to all my existing customers. And I've sent them this message on WhatsApp. So do you think that I've sent each message manually? No, I've simply scheduled a broadcast. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also send bulk beauty offers to all your loyal customers. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Then once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you are ready, you just have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside the same. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number till now, you're going to get a video on your screen. You can simply go and check that video. Is a step-by-step guide on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Apart from that, if you don't find the video and if you want the video, just comment add WhatsApp number and I'm just going to share you the tutorial. Okay, once you add the WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now for the broadcast type, select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, enter the name. So I'm just going to name this as beauty offers. So I'm just going to enter beauty offers as the broadcast name. And now after we enter the broadcast name, it is asking me to select the contact list. So over here we have multiple contact lists which I have already created. So I'm just going to select one from this only. If you want, you can definitely select multiple contact lists too. And now if you want to learn how to create a contact list, just go on the contact section from the left hand of the side, and from here you can create contacts and contact list. And further, if you want to know more about this contact section, just comment contact and I'm just going to share you a detailed tutorial video for the same. I've already selected my contact list, so I'm just going to move on further. Now it is saying refine audience. So over here you can select the contact list you do not want to include in this broadcast. Also, you can select some specific contacts you do not want to include in this broadcast. Apart from that, if you switch on this toggle button, it will exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. But I want to share this beauty offer with everyone, so I'm just going to switch it off right now. Now it is asking me to select the message type. So we have two options, a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, you have to go on the left hand of the side towards this template section and make sure to create a template first. After you create the template, you have to wait till Meta approves your template. Once Meta approves your template, you are good to go and you can share your beauty offers with all the leads and customers. And if you don't want to go for this template message, you can go for this regular message. What you can do is you can select the message type from here and you can then simply enter your message. So I've selected the message type as text and this is the message which I want to send. So I'm just going to copy and paste this message right over here. After I paste this message, I want to do some formatting in this message, which is I want to bold some text. So in order to bold some text, I'm just going to add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. So it totally depends upon you. If you want to bold some text or do some formatting, you can do it right over here by yourself. So as you can see that we have successfully did all the formatting. Now we're good to go. Now it is asking me for the contact name and the mobile number. So over here, before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple clients, customers or leads at once, what you can do is you can simply test it. You can enter a test mobile number right over here and a contact name and click on this send test message. Once you do this, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp and as you can see, I've received a new WhatsApp message and it looks perfectly fine. So let's say I also want to add image in this WhatsApp message. Then what I can do is I can go over here, select the message type as image now and enter the message once again, and now now I can add the image to right over here. So what happened, I just looked at this message and I felt the image is missing and I want to add the image. Then I am just going over here towards my media library, going on this choose a file, and I'm just going to add the image. If you find the message perfectly fine and you do not want to add or delete anything, you can directly move on further and send that message. I'm just going to upload this image first in the media library, then insert this from my media library. On the right hand of the side, you can see the preview of the same to right over here. Okay, now let me just complete this message right over here, do the formatting, and now I'm just going to send this test message once again in order to check that now is it looking perfect or not. So like this, you can test the message, and if it is not looking perfect, you can edit it. Now let's just click on this send test message button. It is saying test broadcast sent, so let me just open my WhatsApp, and yes, with the image it looks more better. Now I'm just going to send this to all leads and customers. Okay, so let's just move on further. In order to send this message, we have two options. We can schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send instantly, go on this no send instantly and click on this add button. But if you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later and simply go on this calendar button to choose the date and time. I want to schedule it for 25th of July 4 p.m. So I'm just going to select the date and time and click on this add button and then add broadcast button. Now this is scheduled. Once this is scheduled, I can move on further and check it in the scheduled section. Apart from that, once this is sent, I can go on the send section and view the stats for the same. How many were sent, how many were delivered, how many were read, pending, ignored, or failed. So as you can see, like this, we have successfully learned how to send bulk beauty offers. You can also do this for free today. Send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, do not forget the amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Go and try this, and if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.